Hi guys, this is PRL JSMUR. Today I will be unboxing this remote control car with the steering wheel, and it is battery. It contains batteries inside already. 3 for the car, 3 for the car, and 4 for the steering wheel. There's a steering wheel. Can you believe that? Look at this when you turn the back of the box. When you turn it has this, the BMW picture, and the steering wheel. Steering wheel should be this side, not this side. Can't believe it. Misprint. 16 plus. Now let's start unboxing it. But hard to open. Yeah, got it. Yeah. The car, the steering wheel. Kaboosh. It contains music. Shown right here. Music. Shut down. Start the music. Cool. Brake button. Let's go test it out. So let me get the car on. The car is like this. Boom, boom, boom. This is not how you play the car. This has to be in N to get it started. Yeah. First I'll show you them. No. Car. Go. Oh. Coming back. Ouch. There's one more cool setting on this steering wheel. Like when you go forward. Oh.
Bye bye.
Oh. I don't know why something happened to this. But when you press this button, it takes skin. I don't know what are these modes for. The glow. I don't know what are these, but you're getting this. Try it out first. Let me try. Oh, it changes the music. Honk button. Up. Ah! Bye. Boop boop. It already comes with 4 batteries. Strip tape. On April 1st was my birthday. But my real birthday was on March 4th. That was when the exams were going on, my exams. Why is it so hard? Come on, guys. Opening this up. I have changed the batteries because these work better for this. Because it's. I think so. I need to change these batteries. Better idea, right? So I'll change them, buy new ones. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, like boom. Smash that like button. Subscribe. And thanks for watching. Please smash the like button like this. All of that, okay? So see you later, alligator. Bye bye. Boop.